Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Pages. We'll explore their primary functions, helping you understand which application best suits your specific tasks. Excel excels at numerical data and complex calculations, while Pages is built for beautiful document creation. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of when to use each, making your workflow more efficient and productive. Let's dive into their distinct features. Excel is the undisputed champion for numerical data. It can manage over 1 million rows and 16,000 columns, making it perfect for extensive datasets. Its robust formula engine allows for intricate calculations, from simple sums to advanced statistical analysis. You can also create dynamic charts and pivot tables to visualize your data effectively, making it an essential tool for finance, science, and business analytics. Pages shines when it comes to crafting beautiful documents. It offers a wide array of professionally designed templates for everything from resumes to newsletters, giving you a head start. Its intuitive interface provides powerful layout tools, allowing you to precisely arrange text, images, and shapes. Pages is perfect for anyone needing to produce polished, print-ready documents with a focus on design and readability, especially within the Apple environment. So, which is better? The answer depends entirely on your task. If you're working with numbers, performing calculations, or analyzing large datasets, Excel is your go-to. For crafting elegant documents, reports, or marketing materials with a focus on visual presentation, Pages is the superior choice. Think of it this way: Excel is for crunching numbers, and Pages is for crafting words and designs. Choose the tool that aligns with your project's core need.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.